Didn't want to actually do plunges, love plunges recently. This water's been up pretty high. You can see, look at that. It's right up to the edge. But we're gonna go jump in. We're gonna do it. Have many days left of the plunging. Maybe another month and a half, and this water is getting warmed up. Even though it's quite chilly, it's already warmer than what it was a couple months ago. So stay safe, of course, have fun. See you around on the channel.